our first algebraic method is called substitution. This is especially useful and valuable to use when one of the variables in one of the equations is solved for one of the variables, as here y equals negative 5x plus 10. What we'll do now is say, since we know that if these two lines cross, there must be a common x, y ordered pair. So whatever this y is, found by using this x, the same x and y must work in the first equation as well. So by substitution, we would wind up with 10x plus 5. Well, it's y, but y is negative 5x plus 10. And that would equal 5. Now the advantage this has, of course, is that if you look across here, there's no longer two variables, but just one, which means we can solve. So now we've got 10x plus 5 times negative 5 is really negative 25x, and 5 times 10 is 50 equals 5. So 10x minus 25x is negative 15x, and plus 50 equals 5. Negative 15x equals negative 45. So x is positive 3. Now that's nice, but it's not our complete answer because we're looking for an ordered pair. So we have to take that x equals 3 and put it back up here. And we'll have negative 5 times 3 plus 10 is negative 15 plus 10. Negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. So in effect, we have an ordered pair for our answer. These two equations have graphs which intersect at 3, negative 5. Whenever you're doing this, you also want to go back and check this point to make sure it makes both equations true. So we would go back in this one and we'd say 30 minus 25. Plugging those numbers in, we'd get 30 minus 25 equals 5, so that checks. And this one also checks because that's how we got our answer in the first place.